Hi, this is Meteorologist Steve Pellettiere, and I am the Weatherman. Thanks for checking into the weathermanpod.com on your Monday. It is the 10th day and a third of the way through the month of February already. And taking a look at the remainder of the month, we see for at least the Northeast corridor, that's from D.C. up to the Boston area, that we're going to be having no less than 7 events that will be either a rain, a snow, or sleet event occurring every 2 or 3 days. It's just that type of weather situation that's probably going to put the month above normal snowfall and precipitation-wise for areas in the east. In the meantime, taking a look at the weather charts for this Monday, we see a big area of high pressure across western Pennsylvania and the eastern Ohio Valley. And it's going to give some pretty good weather to the Northeast corridor today and for early Tuesday. In the meantime, storms are brewing across the nation's midsection. Snow is expected from the UP of Michigan up around Duluth into Minnesota, then into central and southern Minnesota, western Wisconsin. Also more snow in South Dakota, Nebraska, and Kansas. And it looks like some of that will even go into Iowa, where heavy snow is expected in the northern half, or at least the northern third of Iowa during the daytime on Monday, and even sections of Missouri. It'll be raining across Oklahoma and much of central and western Texas. The west coast looks dry. There's an area of low pressure, unfortunately, across southern Nevada and working its way across Arizona that could ignite those Santa Ana winds in central and southern California. But it looks like at this point it's on the lighter side. But there's a lot of what we call upper-level disturbances over the west coast that could continue to spark some pretty wild weather in some places there. But it is dry from Seattle down to Portland and even San Francisco. Just a lot of cloud cover and dry weather into L.A. and also down into San Diego. Four Corners also looking dry. As a matter of fact, as we head towards the east, it looks like dry weather on Monday from D.C. right up through the Boston area. Here's the forecast for the Northeast corridor. It looks like generally fair skies for today, as high temperatures range from 38 to about 45. 45 in D.C., about 30 up in the Boston area, right around 40, 41 in New York, all under fair skies. It'll be fair skies at night on Monday and Tuesday, and increasing clouds. Looks like the snow will be across northern West Virginia, southern Pennsylvania, sections of central and northern Shenandoah Valley of Virginia and western Maryland, and even the D.C. area. But it looks like it just stays to the south of the New York area. And if it just jogs a little bit further to the north, it could mean another 1 to 3 inches of snowfall for the Big Apple later in the day on Tuesday. Secondary area of low pressure is going to bring some rain, sleet, and snow, most likely to the area later Wednesday and Thursday of this week. If you're flying today, it looks like fair weather for the Northeast, Boston, New York, D.C., no problems there. Also fair weather in Charlotte. Some rain showers in Atlanta, but nothing major. Central and South Florida also looking dry. Dry at Houston, but the rain will be moving into Dallas-Fort Worth, slowing things down there. Generally fair in the Chicago area, but they will have some snow on Monday night and Tuesday. West Coast looking dry in L.A., San Francisco, and still a lot of cloud cover, maybe a few light showers, but nothing much in the Seattle-Tacoma region. The heavy weather, as mentioned, will be across much of northern and central portions of Nebraska, Kansas, and even into Iowa as that storm advances towards the northeast. I'm Meteorologist Steve Pellettiere, and I'm the Weatherman. Hope you have a great day today. Talk to you first thing on Tuesday. We'll take the progress of those next storms.